So I moved to Arizona State University about 3 years ago. At the time of the move, we had done enough work on this virus to convince me it had to go into human clinical trials. When I was recruited here, one of the things that I wanted to do is set up a company from scratch.
I went and talked to the dean here at ASU. He said, it's really good timing. We just recruited a guy who's world class. He's got this oncolytic virus, and it's a rabbit virus, and it kills cancer cells, and it's very specific only for human cancer cells. And I thought, wow, that's great.
Dr. McFadden here at ASU has been able to essentially harness that special feature and create a system in which cancer cells in humans begin to look a lot like rabbit cells in terms of their vulnerabilities to a virus.
The fact that you can contribute to help people and to cure people, to give a better quality of life to people with this type of terrible diseases like cancer, that was my driving force.
Professor McFadden and his team, they've developed about 30 peer-reviewed publications around this technology. The next step is really, what about the intellectual property?
It's a fairly complicated business to decide what can be patented and what cannot be, and most academics like myself are not experts in it. As a professor at Arizona State University, my partner is SkySong Innovations.
This is really a unique place in terms of encouraging innovation out of Arizona. We were able to do some things here that would have been almost impossible at some other places.
There's kind of a recipe when it comes to technology transfer, it turns out. It's really about technology, it's about people in the form of leadership for companies, and money to be able to fund those business endeavors. And what OncoMyx has been able to do in terms of forming a great team, raise a good deal of money out of the gate, and get things rolling, there's just so much potential.
I've known people that have had cancer and have lost the battle. I'm a cancer survivor myself, and so it's deeply personal to me that we owe it to the next generation to come up with new cures, new treatments, new ways to go after this disease. That's our job, and I think we should take it as our prime directive in life as well.